Hey guys, my name is Maria Andersen and this channel is all about crypto investing, crypto news, reviews and interviews. If you guys love such stuff, don't be shy and please subscribe. Well, sometimes I do crypto hardware wallets unboxing on this channel and I have a whole playlist, I will leave it there. And today we're gonna be unboxing this beautiful hardware wallet. And the name of this wallet is SecuX V20 cryptocurrency hardware wallet. Okay, let's see what do we have here, guys. Featuring the world's most secure, easy-to-use hardware wallet, SecuX V20 puts you in charge of your digital assets with innovative technology. Nice, okay. And also we have these here embedded with multi-grade security element CE chip to safeguard your private key and PIN against potential risks. Bluetooth and USB connectivity. Securely connect via Bluetooth 5 or USB Type-C anytime, anywhere with advanced encrypted technology. Nice. Also solid design, a large 2.8 color touchscreen, and also cross-platform compatibility and 1000 plus cryptocurrencies support. Okay guys, let's unbox it now. And as you see, this packaging is quite safe and secure. We have this stuff here and yeah, also here. Okay, let's open it now like this. Are you ready, guys? Here it is. Wow, guys, look at this. This is amazing. I already like it. And wow, it's cold, so it's not plastic. I guess it's metal or something like my Mac. Nice, I like it. Here is a button and yeah, let's see. Also one more layer of security right away here. We don't need it anymore, right? Let's do like this. Okay, good. We have this USB-C. We will try to turn it on just in a second. And guys, if you will decide to buy this SecuX V20 hardware wallet, you can use my coupon code and get 10 or 15% off. Can you imagine, guys? I will leave all the information in the description. Go check it out. And for now, let's see what do we have in this box. So we also have this, wow, we have this cover and yeah, looks nice. And we also have this cable here. It is USB, as you can see, and this one is USB-C. So okay, I have a new Mac and I need USB-C to USB-C, but I already have one cable, so I will use it in a second. Let's try to turn it on now and see. Just hold a little. Oh, hello. We will walk you through a few steps to set up the device and protect your valuable crypto assets. Thank you. Well, we have a little battery. Let me take my cable and I will come back to you guys in a second. Okay guys, so here is my cable, USB-C to USB-C, and that's what you need if you have a new Mac. So let me put it here. Okay, and good. By the way guys, here is also some stuff from the box, and as you can see, we have this passphrase and hidden wallet set up. You can actually use this piece of paper to write down hidden wallet PIN and passphrase. Also, we have this quick start guide. Okay, I don't need it now. And of course, we have these two pieces of paper and I will use it a little later. Okay, get started. Get started. Create your personal PIN. Please enter 4 to 8 digits. Okay guys, I will create an easy PIN just for the purpose of this video now. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next. Choose your device name. Initialize your wallet, and here we have two options: setting up a new wallet or recovering from an existing wallet. Of course, I will set up a new one. And now we have the most important part. The device will generate 24 recovery words for your SecuX wallet. Write down your 24 recovery words in the correct order on the recovery sheets and keep them in a safe place. If your device is lost, stolen, or damaged, you can restore your wallet using these 24 recovery words. Okay, guys? And now this device generated my 24 recovery words, and I have to write them down on this piece of paper. So let me do it just real quick and I will come back to you guys. Okay guys, I'm ready. Just to be clear, this is only for the purpose of this video. Of course, I will create new recovery words, but for now, let's check it out how it works. Click next. And now I have to confirm some random words that this device will show me. And I have this word skate. Okay, let's choose skate. Also, I have to confirm every word. Okay, let's do it. And the final one. Okay. Congratulations, the device is now set up successfully. Click next to go to account portfolio. Okay guys, let's click next. You have not added any accounts, please visit SecuX official website and go to our online user guide how it works for further instructions. And guys, you actually can connect it to your computer or to your mobile device. So for example, if you will decide to connect it to your mobile device, step number 1, download app. This one, SecuX Mobile. Step number 2, Bluetooth on. Make sure Bluetooth functions from the device's settings and your mobile phone or tablet are both turned on. Okay. Step number 2, SecuX Mobile app login, open app and start pairing. And that's pretty easy, I believe. And step number 4, enter OTP. Enter the OTP one-time password as shown on your device in SecuX Mobile app. Okay. Please let me know down below in the comments if you are interested, guys. I will show you how to send crypto, how to receive crypto, and much more about this hardware wallet. I believe it's a great discount, guys, and one more time, I will leave all the links in the description. Definitely go check them out. And that's all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Also check out those reviews, and yeah, I wish you a good day. Take care, stay safe, bye!